Hello everyone, my name is Abhay Gandhi and today I'll start my final presentation for AI seminar with Professor Joshua Hiller. So from algorithms to agents, how AI is changing our world. So the next slide, we'll go for the next slide, and that is the main idea. So the thesis is artificial intelligence is moving from simple pattern learning to systems that act, decide, and interact like humans. But AI still faces problems with data equality, honesty, and trust. In this seminar, we studied how AI has grown and what issues it faces, and I'll show what I learned from research papers and guest speakers. The next one is how modern AI started. So this was the first paper we did. Attention is all you need, and it introduced like transformer models. That was the base for GPT and all big language models, and it uses like self-attention instead of old RNNs, and this made AI faster, more accurate, and able to understand long text. So this we had done in our first week, and the key point was transformers changed AI from step-by-step reading to full context understanding. The next one, it is the problem of model collapse. So when AI models are trained on old AI generated data, they forget the real facts. So this is how it's called model collapse. Over time, the model's answers become less diverse and less accurate. So the lesson was AI must keep learning from real human data and not just from its own outputs. So we'll go for the next slide. Small models, big impact. So argues that small language model SLMs can do many jobs better than giant LLMs. So small models are cheaper, faster, and easier to use on personal device. In the future, we may use many small models that work together like a team. So the idea was to build like the future AI agents uh, that is small, smart, and efficient, and not always used. So right now we are using like large LLMs like ChatGPT 4, and right now we have 5 also, but these are like very large language models. But in the future, we will be doing like small and smart, efficient, which will be in every phone, laptops, and device, all the small devices. Uh, so the next one is like why AI is hallucinate. So hallucination means when AI gives wrong but confident answers. That thing is called hallucination. So this happens because AI systems are trained to always answer even when even when unsure. So they are rewarded for guessing instead of saying I don't know. So it's like uh, they always give a right answer to that, like whichever question you have given, it gives a strong positive answer. So you think that that's correct, and this is what we have to fix it. So AI should be trained to admit uncertainty instead of pretending to know everything. If he don't know, he should say that this might be wrong, but I can give you some suggestions for this one, but you need to be sure. So this is how hallucination works. Then hallucinations in healthcare. So in medicine, false AI answers can be dangerous. Example, fake citations and wrong disease information. Authors suggest using the term AI misinformation instead of hallucination. So for this, the key lesson is doctors must always double check AI advice with real medical sources. The next one is hallucinations in law. So legal AI tools like Lexis Plus and Westlaw still made up facts in 17 to 33% of cases. Some invented legal rules and fake say case citations. Sorry, and the third is retrieval augmented generation (RAG) helps. It doesn't fully fix the issue. So the takeaway for this slide was even professional AIs can make up facts. Humans must verify the results. So whenever you are taking any AI generated facts, you need to be sure that uh, you can like you took the facts and you must verify with humans. The next one is AI and health informatics. So health informatics connects computer science, data, and medicine. So AI helps doctors by finding patterns in large patient data sets, EHRs, and EL7 FHIR standards help different hospital systems share information. So this result is like AI can improve care, but it must be transparent and explainable. Then the next one is medical errors and ethics. So some AIs invented PubMed IDs and false study titles. So this shows why human in the loop systems are necessary. Safety in healthcare depends on teamwork between AI and humans. And the main ethical point is AI should help, not replace human decision making. So this is what we talked our whole semester, that so AI should help us and not replace humans. And we'll go for the next slide. AI and art. So art made with AI shows that machines can inspire new creativity. It raises questions. So who is the real artist for this one? So the person or the program? So AI is not replacing creativity. It is expanding how we express ideas. So AI art doesn't remove humanity, it reflects it. So the thing is like art is present in ourselves. So you need to explain it to AI, and then it will it will create whichever prompt you have given, or whatever ideas you have given to the AI. So that reflects the art and AI. So it doesn't remove, and it will not remove any humanity. And the next one is AI in business and retail. So AI helps companies manage data, predict sales, and understand customers. Data engineers use AI to make better business decisions, and this connects classroom AI concepts to real world applications. So AI in business is like it's a booming thing, and if we use AI, we can do much better things. And also in the retail sector, it can predict the sales from, if we are adding it in the Excel sheets and something, and if we are doing some analysis things, we can create better results by predicting in which sector, which month the sales are going high, and what will be the predictions for the next future months. And this is how AI can help in business and retail. Then the next one is common themes. So AI can make mistakes when trained on poor or fake data. Ethics and truth checking are needed in every field, and smaller focus models may be safer and more reliable. So the big picture is AI reflects both our strengths and weakness. We must guide it carefully. So this was the big picture. And what's next for AI? So technology use verification systems to check AI outputs. Society teach people how AI works and where it fails, and economy make AI tools open and affordable for everyone. So trustworthy AI should amplify human judgment, not replace it. And the next one is conclusion. So AI is powerful but imperfect. It needs good data and ethics. Future progress depends on transparency, fairness, and human control. And final thought for my presentation is the best AI is built with both intelligence and integrity. So thank you, everyone, and thank you, Professor Joshua Hiller, for conducting this AI seminar. And thank you, everyone.